Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus has been officially unveiled and will hit the shelves as an Amazon exclusive. Galaxy A8 is a new flagship from Samsung, also looks like a small baby of Samsung Note 8, so it has strong competition with OnePlus 5T and Honor View 10. Let's do the unboxing. After opening box we get a transparent case, the device itself with awesome Super AMOLED display and nice looking glass panel and USB Type-C port. Also, we get a USB Type-C cable, a charging adapter, and Samsung's standard looking earphones. Let's boot up the device. Hello Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. There is a micro Type-C port and a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack. Device comes in 4-color variant, black, orchid gray, gold, and blue. A8 Plus have an awesome looking 6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED Infinity display. A8 Plus has dual front camera, one is 8 megapixel and second is 16 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. Rear camera is 16 megapixel PDAF with 1.7 aperture. Camera supports Full HD recording at 30 fps. Also, camera has inbuilt digital image stabilization. The device also supports face recognition and fingerprint scanner at back. The camera also supports live focus. It also comes inbuilt with Samsung Pay. Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus is available for sale on Amazon. A8 Plus purchase link is given in description below. Also, if you like this video, hit like button below. Also, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.